Here behind all these Moroccan flags, there's the entrance of the Rose Aqua Park Hotel. It looks also nice. Here they are preparing something of the Festival International de Film de Marrakech, so the International Film Festival. And here's the Congress Center and the famous M Avenue with all the expensive shops. I sit down this way. I made already a video when I was there. This is here the Grand Mogador Hotel. Yeah, I just saw there's also a money change at the Mogador Hotel. But I found out before I can also pay everything with euro here in the restaurants. So the breakfast that I had before, I paid it with euro. And 10 dirham is 1 euro. And I paid with euro and then got the money back in dirham, the change. So there's not even, I don't need a change to look for a money change again. Here, this is the great restaurant Le Six, and opposite there's the Menara Mall. And there's the Aerobus. That is the bus to the airport that I will take in 1 hour. I know there's one stop in front of the mall. And this is here the beautiful avenue. Yeah, there's a very big cat in comparison to the other one in the apartment. And here that is the terrace of the Le Six restaurant. And I just asked them to have oysters, so I thought I'd just take 6 oysters and 1 Coke, and then here's the cat sitting, sleeping, and then I will later go there to the mall and then take the airport bus. So here there are my wonderful oysters. 6 oysters at the restaurant Le Six. And I will not film myself while I'm eating them, but they look very delicious, and yeah, that's great. So there were great oysters there at the Le Six restaurant, and I just saw opposite there's also the Novikov. And there are many doves here. The flying rats. So, and that is the Menara Mall there. The Christmas tree is not yet ready. This is now inside here the Menara Mall. So, there's also a Carrefour market that's very good, but I need nothing now. And there's a beautiful mall here. I heard sometimes people were complaining, they said it's too small, but they have everything what you need. And it's a nice place. I can recommend. Yeah, there's a cat family living here in front of the mall. And I'm enjoying my ice cream that I bought for €1.50, and that is the beautiful Menara Mall. And there's the Méridien Hotel. Here in this mall is also the Buddha Bar, but I haven't been there yet. And there's also Burger King. I can see Burger King is there, and also there's a very good hotel. And there should also be the bus to the airport. The bus to the airport should start right over there. I could also walk, it's about 1 hour from here. It's beautiful here, look at this. It's very nice. There's a plane leaving. I will also be leaving at 4 o'clock. I fly directly back to Cologne. And this hotel that I said before, the Savoy Le Grand Hotel, there is under renovation. Yes, you can see it is under renovation, and it will be great when they reopen. And this is the entrance here where all the famous influencers and rich tourists go and have a nice evening in the Buddha bar. And I'm enjoying my €1.50 ice cream here, that is also fantastic. Black chocolate, and here's the Buddha bar Marrakech. And this here is the bus stop to the airport next to the Menara Mall. That is how it looks like without all the fancy buildings. And I hope here the bus to the airport will come here. I could also walk now 1 hour or 55 minutes, but I'm tired. And I hope the airport bus will come soon here. I don't know which number that is to the airport. Oh, that's another one. That's the airport bus here. Yeah. Alright, take the bus. I must take always the taxis. Bonjour. À l'aéroport. Merci beaucoup, monsieur. So when you arrive here during the daytime, then you can from 6 o'clock till 11:30 in the night. You can use the bus from here. There's the arrivals hall. And then I have already made this other video. From here you can go to the city, or when you arrive back, then you arrive here. And that is here the departures building to the left, and I have still plenty of time. And when I arrived here, I arrived at 1 o'clock in the morning, and there was no bus service. And then I went there over to this taxi thing, and then this booth, and then I paid a taxi there, and then took a taxi to the el-Fnaa. Yeah, that was great all, and I'm very sad that I'm leaving now, but it is what it is. All right. So I will later film again when I'm in the airport. So this is here the departure hall, and I must go now to 79 departure hall. It's over there. So after you get your boarding card, you go to the departures, to the boarding sign and departures. So if you arrive here at daytime and you want to take a taxi, you can come here to pay the taxi, and they are starting over here. But I take normally the bus to the city center. Only when you arrive very late, and you must take a taxi. Yeah, and that is the entrance here for the departures. I have my boarding card already, and I still have a lot of time, so I walk out again, and I will go in 15 minutes to the security check. So bye bye Marrakech. It was nice again. Welcome back to Germany. I'm the first passenger of the whole plane. That is the first time that I have had this. So here it all started a few days ago, and now I'm back to Germany. So I will be back to Morocco sooner or later. Okay, that was a great trip. Another great trip to the fantastic country of Morocco. Yeah, all right. Have a good night. Thanks. Leave a like and subscribe, please, and good luck to you. And thanks for watching.